Brian Duggan, BJ Constructions. We're going to have a look through this unit where we fixed up the structural wall. Thank you very much, Paul. Very good looking chap sometimes, isn't he? Alright, so this is it. This is where we took the roof tiles off it. And we had to start from the garage, bottom down the garage here, work our way all out. We've actually rebuilt the whole house because it was so badly built. There wasn't a beam in here or anything that was holding, supporting anything. There wasn't a stud to support anything. But anyway, look, we've rebuilt the frame. You've seen that in the previous videos. And we're in the process now of putting some plasterboard on, finishing it all off. You see the electricians have been in. They've got the subboard back on there. And the boys have plastered it all up. There's the staircase. It's got a bit of a end to it now on the right hand side there, so I've got some studs actually holding the staircase up on both sides, which is supporting it, which is really good. So yeah, the boys have firstly kind of got it ready down here for the plasterer to come in next week. I'll go upstairs and have a quick look up here. This is the stairs, so the stairs. Remember this wall up here that we pulled apart? That's all been pulled apart, adjusted, straightened up, and now we've got the plaster back on, so that shouldn't crack anymore like it had been, and it looks a lot better. So it's ready for the plasterer to come in too. To give you a better look at that, you can kind of see from up here that it looks nice and straight, dead straight there, so that's good. So he's not going to go anywhere anymore. Now I'll go up the stairs, see what the boys have been up to up here. They've got all the frame finished, as you know. Engineer's been in, inspected it, passed it, given it their Form 16. And the guys have been in, sheeting it up here, and they've still got the bit in the ceiling to do, wherever in through here, and the bit in the ceiling over there. So that's all done. The passageway's all nice and straight now. Those walls are nice and plumb, and it's all been straightened up. And you see the roof trusses, we straightened them out. They look a hell of a lot better than they did. They got supports under every roof truss. It makes it, now, it's going to be here for a long, long time. Before, I wouldn't have liked to have judged how long it would have lasted. But anyway, we fixed it. So, that's all right in there. So have a look at the passageway up here. There's the bathroom and ceiling, we've got that back in there, nice and well. There's the passageway ceiling, that's still to go back in. Now there's a bedroom in here. Boys got the bracing ply back on. You notice this bracing ply, I noticed I nailed it off at 150 centres, 50mm across the bottom, 50mm in the centre, 50mm at the top. That's the code, and it's so that it braces the building, it stops the building from moving. Now we've got a problem in here because we jacked it all up and moved it. Now all these trusses are all over the place, and the bottom cords and everything are done. So when we string line it and put a straight edge on it, so what we're going to do is we're going to probably put some trimmers in alongside the bottom cords and get it nice and straight before we put our ceiling sheets up. So there's a bit of mucking around in here, probably nearly a day's work or half a day's work in here to get it right before we can sheet the ceiling in here. But anyway, that's going to be done, and it's just a shame that they built it the way it was. Anyway, it's come on, go for a bit of a look back here. You can see what's going on. You know, there's a bit of the kitchen there. We're going to have to fix that up. There's a little bit of a crack there. So anyway, there you get a better look from here. So we go through. We virtually rebuilt this whole damn house. There's the main structural parts of the house. Taking roof tiles off, doing the trusses, doing your wall frames, putting new beams in, doing the floor trusses. Everything was all fixed, but it's dead straight, all plumb, all good, all built to code. Passed by an engineer, and we're all good. So we've got the balcony. We'll have a quick look at the balcony. If you look outside, there you go. We've got a bit of rain coming. Well, look at it, a bit of cloud coming over. We pan round there. There's a lake down the bottom there. You go, there's Burleigh Headland over the top. There's the ocean out here along the bottom of Palm Beach and Eleanor there. And you go along here down the bottom, Palm Beach, Currumbin. So a little bit choppy out there in the ocean, but absolutely beautiful spot here. that this client can settle down now after this work's done, and should be able to spend the rest of his life very happy. So anyway, this is Brian signing off. We'll give you a look when we get a bit further down the track.